Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a rectangle with the following sides that is given and a triangle ABC. Now, they give me two pieces of information. One would be that length of PQRS is twice the breadth, and therefore I'm going to focus on this, the length. Oops, sorry. The length is actually twice that of the breadth. That means if the breadth, I'm going to times 2 will be equals to the length. And that is one of the equation. So for A part 1, you would see me writing this down. 2 times 3x plus 2y is equals to the length, and the length is 8x plus y minus 1, and I'm going to simplify. It should give me one of the equation there. 2 times 2 is 4y. So I'm going to, you will see me doing this, minus 6x, oops. Sorry. Minus 4y, positive 1, I add 1 on both sides. So that eventually I will get this. Which is the same as this. Okay, so I gotten the first equation. Done. Shown. The second equation now involves the perimeter of the triangle ABC, and I've actually got the 3 sides. Perimeter means if I add this, they must give me back my 32. And you will see that in my working, I will then have 6x plus 8x minus 9y plus 10x minus 7y. And this one will give me my 32, the perimeter. And then continue to simplify. 24x minus 16y equals to 32. And I realize all can be divided by A. Divide by A. Divide by A. You can do that for an equation, or divide by the same number, and I will get my 3x minus 2y equals to 4. Shown. I have gotten my second equation. Part A done. Now part B. Part 2, we are required to solve this equation, and this will be my equation 1, equation 2. I am going to try and make x the same. I'm going to use the elimination method, okay? So for equation 1, I'm going to multiply by 3. That will give me my 6x minus 9y equals to 3. My equation 2, I'm going to times 2 so that I will get back my 6x as well. 6x minus 4y equals to 8. And I saw that my 6x are the same, and they are both positive. So therefore, I now know that I need to minus the equation. And you will see me writing this down. 6x minus 9y, I'm going to minus my equation 2, 6x minus 4y. Do the same for the other part of the equal sign, 3 minus 8. So that for those who, you can see that it is my and I'm actually really minusing the equation. Blue minus red. So let's continue to simplify. Negative 6x, positive 4y, negative 5, 6x minus 6x equals to 0. I will get negative 5y. And once I have my y, I will then be able to find my x, because I just need to substitute into any of the equation. I'm going to substitute into my first equation. So 2x minus 3y equals to 1. Therefore, I will get my answer. X equals to 2. 4 divided by 2, x equals to 2. Hence, find the area of the rectangle PQRS. And from here, I will be able to get the length. So if you can see here, now I know my x. X is 2, y is 1. So I will be able to get the length of my PQ would then be 16. And my breadth will be 3 times 2 plus 2 times y. And therefore the area would then be 16 times 28. So area, part B, the area of this rectangle will be 16 times 8, 128 cm square. Okay, so we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.